Hi guys, this is Umar with you. Today was a very quiet day for Nifty. It hardly moved. Back in 2015 or 2014, Nifty used to be like this. It will never make any big moves like what we are experiencing today. Of course, it will make big moves if there is any bad news or any good news or uncertainty. It will make big moves, but most of the time what I've seen back then is it will not make any big moves. And I can remember one lot of strangle will just cost less than 80 or 70,000, and even 5 lakh capital was enough to make money. But things have changed since SEBI has jumped in and does all the things to get retail traders out of the market. Margins were very less, no need to hedge, no big margin benefit. But things have changed a lot and we need big money to trade in option. Well, if you don't have big capital, you can buy options, but the probability of making money is very less. And on the other hand, if you want to make money, you can sell options, but you will need big capital. So let's see what SEBI does next. Maybe they will increase the margin requirements also. Nobody knows. So for the markets, today Nifty closed near 15,200 due to buying in financials, energy, and formed a small bodied candle on a daily scale. Now Nifty has to hold above 15,150 zone to see an up move towards 15,300. Then we may test a lifetime high of around 15,400 zone. On the downside, support is seen at 15,000 and 14,800 to 14,900 levels. And if you are holding any straddles or iron fly, exit your trades when Nifty touches 15,000 next time. Maybe it will not touch now. Maybe when it touches, you just try to square off, because I am seeing Nifty may test all-time highs and move forward. Going forward, we may see a bull run. Not bull run in the sense we may see new highs. If it sustains this level, I'm sure Nifty will touch a all-time high. India VIX marginally moved up by 0.26% from 19.08 to 19.13 levels, and the big support for this Nifty touching all-time high is from India VIX. And if you see the option data, maximum put OI was seen at 15,000 followed by 14,500 strike, while maximum call OI is at 15,500 strike followed by 15,300 strike. Call rating was seen at 15,300 and 15,400 strike, while put rating was seen at 15,200 then 15,000 strike. Option data suggests a trading range of between 14,800 to 15,400 levels. And Bank Nifty opened positive but traded in a consolidative range, and I noticed buying interest whenever there was a decline in Bank Nifty. It closed around 337 points higher at 34,950 levels. Now it has to hold above 34,750 zone to see an up move towards 35,250 or 35,500 levels. On the downside, support exists at 34,500 and 34,250 levels. So I am bullish and may sell more puts going forward. And for our trades, we have closed almost all the trades, and the 14,700 put which I sold naked last week gave a profit of around 10,000. It was trading today at around 5 or 6 rupees, and I think I bought it for around 45 or 46 rupees. And the position I am having is 15,100 straddle, which I shared with you last week. Maybe I will square off that also by Wednesday. And as of this month, we have made a tentative return of around 3 to 3.5% of total capital deployed. I will share the profit and loss statement at the end of the year. And but still I am saying, if someone tells you can make 70% or 80% return per month, please don't believe such things. and these things, high returns are not possible in stock market. You have to wait, you have to be patient, and when you are selling options, it is not possible to make big returns. Like you invest 1 lakh and 50,000 60,000 return is not at all possible in 1 month. So you need money here, you need to be patient, and you need to have lots of skill to make money in stock market, right? So that's what I am trying to say. So today was a very quiet day, nothing much to discuss. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me see if the FII data has come. Yeah, FII data has come, and FIIs have bought for around 585 crores, and DAIs have sold for around 707 crores. So this is the FII data. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.